name is Jannis Doppmeier. I'm working for Beckhoff Automation technology as a product manager. What we're showing on the trade show is our generative AI system, TwinCAT CoAgent, which you can use to assist you in the engineering process, which you can use also on running machine, but which you can also use to interact with the physical world. So in this showcase, for example, we have our Explainer system, which we can control via natural language with an LLM model like ChatGPT or Claude, for example. So please join us on the Hannover Messe 2026 to see our latest innovations.